In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started or looking to customize your workflow, knowing how to set up a table view can significantly enhance your productivity and data management. Let's begin by examining the current board setup. You might notice that I have a main table here, and as you can see, it's already laid out. This main table serves as the foundation for all the data entries and tracking activities we undertake in Monday.com. However, if you're starting from scratch, some boards might not initially have a table. In these instances, you might want to create a table view to help organize your data effectively. Today, we'll specifically look into how you can craft a different view of your existing main table, allowing you to optimize and evaluate your data without altering it permanently. Now, here's the exciting part. We can add a new table view, which allows for customization like sorting, grouping, and arranging in various ways, all while maintaining the same underlying data. This feature is crucial for users who need to slice and dice their data differently, depending on the tasks or projects at hand, yet don't wish to modify their original layout. To get started with creating this new table view, head over to the View tabs located at the top of your board interface. Look for the plus icon. When you click on it, a menu will appear, offering different types of views. In this menu, you'll want to select Table. Once you've done that, a new table view will be generated. This new table is seamlessly connected to your existing data source. Any changes you make to the data itself, such as adding or editing an item, will be reflected across both the main table and the new table view. But here's the beauty of it. Changes like the order of items, their arrangement, or any grouping done in this new view will not affect the main table. This provides you with a versatile canvas to interact with your data dynamically without the risk of altering your primary setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new table view in Monday.com. This feature empowers you to shift perspectives effortlessly, ensuring you can adapt to different needs or workflows without losing any essential information from your core dataset. I hope this tutorial is helpful and inspires you to explore the powerful customization options available within Monday.com. Feel free to share this video with your colleagues or teammates who might also benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.